Murdhni Taila or Murdha Taila. Murdhni Taila. It is a process in which sneha is applied on the head, or it is a procedure of anointing the head with oil. According to Acharya Charaka, it's Murdhni Taila. According to Acharya Babata, it's Murdha Taila. The next is benefits of Murdha Taila. Nityam Sneharda Shirasha. Shirashulam na jayate, na kalityam, na palityam, na kesha prapatanti cha, balam shira kapalanam visheshena bivardate. दृढमूलश्च दीर्घश्च कृष्णकेश भवन्ति च इन्द्रियाणि प्रसीदन्ति सुदग् भवति चननं निद्रालभं सुखं च सन्मूर्ति तैलनिषेवणात्. The benefit of daily application of sneha on scalp is it prevents shirashula headache, prevents kalitya hair fall, prevents palitya graying of hairs, prevents kesha prapatanti hair fall, increases bala of shira kapala, strengthen of head and scalp. Dridamula Dirga Krishna Kesha strengthen of roots of hair and result in long and darkened hair. Indriyani Prasidanti provide nutrition to senses. Sutvak Bhavati Cha Ananam provides the skin of facial regions. Nidralabha Sukha sleeping habits regularize. Types Murdhni Taila, Shiro Abhyanga, Shiroseka, Shiro Pichu, Shirobasti. These are superior in their successive order. Shiro Abhyanga. Application of medicated or non-medicated Taila or Grutha to the head is said to be Shiro Abhyanga. It acts as an important route of drug administration from persons suffering from Shiroroga. It is one among the Dinacharya. Shiro Abhyanga is a subtype of Murdha Taila. It can be included in a subtype of Abhyanga also. Generally, Shukoshna or cold oil is used for this purpose. The main indications of Shiro Abhyanga are Shiroroga, Kalitya, Palitya, Keshabhumi Roga, Shiro Rukshata or Shirakandu. According to Vagbhata, indication Rauksha, Kandu and Mala, contraindication Kafagrastha and Ajirna. Procedure. Materials required are medicated oil, vessel, towel, snanata churna, masser. Pre-operative procedure. Oil to be taken should be Karapaka or Madhyamapaka and lukewarm. Operative procedure. Applied on anterior fontanelle and then to whole scalp. Karnabhyanga to be done prior. It totally includes 9 steps. First one is smearing the oil. Oil is poured overhead and smeared by dividing the hairs with the help of fingers. Second one is the Garshana Hasta, massaging the whole head with the palmar surface from before backwards. Mridbanguli Tadana, the fingers of both the hands are moved as if the picking of the tuft of hairs. Dvihasta Tadana, gentle strokes are done with palmar surface over scalp. Taranga Hasta, gentle strokes are placed by rapid rocking movement of both the palms. Anguli Kridana Hasta, rocking movements over scalp with palmar surface of thumb and little finger. Mridum Mushti Tadana, gentle strokes are placed on the areas of the head with closed fist through the ulnar border. Shabdanguli Kridana, both the hands are clasped together with little finger foliage. Stroking is done by loosing fingers, producing bubbling sound. Gatita Hasta, palmar surface is placed flat over scalp and pressed slightly. Post-operative. Rest for about 15 minutes. Bath with lukewarm water and applying Snanartha Churna. Application of Rasnadi Churna over the scalp. Thank you.